video we are going to learn about the MED-SORT technique. So MED-SORT is one of the divide and conquer technique. So it will keep on splitting the array into two sub-arrays until the condition is met, where we try to perform MED-SORT on the sub-array of size 1. So we are going to keep on dividing the given array into sub-array, so until the sub-array size will become 1. So it is one of the divide and conquer technique. That means we are going to keep on dividing the given array into subparts until the size is 1, and then we are going to combine, right? So divide the given array into number of parts, okay, and then conquer means we are going to apply the function here, that is apply the function. What is the function here? We want to sort the elements in a ascending order. So we are going to perform the sorting on the elements, and then we are going to combine this, right? So divide, conquer and combine. So another application of the MED-SORT is recursion. So we are going to recursively divide the array into subparts until the smallest size of the array is 1, that is until the subarrays of the size 1 are formed. Then merge the subarrays to sort the entire array. Okay, so divide and conquer and recursion are repeatedly applied on the MED sorting technique. So now let us consider the example here. So this is the unsorted data elements in the array. So now we are dividing the given array into two parts, right? So how can we divide this means? So based on the formula, there is a formula here, that is middle equals to low plus high by 2. Okay, so we are dividing the given array into two parts, right? That is low plus high by 2. So what is the position here? 0. So 0th position 8 is there. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8th position 7 is there, right? So 0 to 8 elements are there. So now, so you have to apply this formula, middle equals to low plus high by 2. Okay, so 0 plus 8 by 2 is 4. So we are going to divide the elements here after the 4 positions. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So at this part we are going to divide the array into two parts. Split the array into two parts. So now again, so 0 to 4 is there. So there is the middle part, and 5 to 8, right? So we are again going to divide the sub arrays into sub parts. So 0 to 4. So 4 by 2 is 2. Okay. So 0 to 2. So up to the second position we are dividing these two parts and the remaining parts. Similarly 5 to 8. Okay. So low plus high by 2. 5 plus 8 by 2. That is 13 by 2. Right. So it comes as 6. Okay. So we are going to divide this array at the sixth position. 5, 6. So okay, we are going to divide this into two parts, 4, 3 and 1, 7. So again, so this sub arrays we are going to apply the same formula, middle equals to low plus high by 2. So what is the lower position here? So 0 and 1. So 0 plus 1 by 2 is, so we are going to divide this each and every array into two parts. So in this manner we are going to apply the same formula on a sub array until we get the sub array of size 1. So this array size is 1, right? The sub array size is 1. So now we are going to perform the operation here, that is the conquering the sub arrays. So we are going to sort the given sub arrays in the sorted manner. So in the ascending order we are going to sort the elements, and then we are going to combine all these elements into the single array. So this is the MED-SORT technique. So this is the algorithm of the MED-SORT. So a comma low comma high. So if low is less than high, then perform this operation, that is so divide the array into two parts. So middle equals to low plus high by 2. So how many times we are going to recursively apply this formula on the array of elements means, apply this formula on the array of elements. So MED-SORT of a comma low comma mid. So this is one sub array and this is the another sub array. So this is the first sub array. So A, the array with the low and middle. So this is the first sub array, and array with middle plus 1. So this is the middle plus 1 and high. So this is the another sub array, right? So we are dividing the given sub array, given array into two parts, that is low comma mid and middle plus 1 comma high. So these are the two sub arrays. So in this manner we are going to recursively divide and conquer the sub arrays until we get the sorted list of elements. And finally we are going to combine all the sorted elements to form the elements in the ascending order. So this is about the merge sorting technique, which is a simple sorting technique, and the best case is big O of n log n, and average case and worst case is big O of n log n. So here the big O of n log n means, so because we are going to divide the array into subparts, and then we are performing the comparison in the ascending order and then combining. So when we are going to divide the given array into subparts, so it will be like n number of logarithmic times. Okay. So this is about the merge sorting technique. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.